Welcome to Virtuous Gist and Skills. In today's video, I want to use this opportunity to thank a lot of my subscribers who always see my video and click on it. It is not really easy for somebody to see your video and click on it. A lot are your subscribers, but when they see your video, they don't click on it. It is indeed a great love to see my video and click on it anytime I upload a new video. I say, may the good Lord, who sends blessing from above, bless each and every one of you abundantly for clicking on my video. What we have on board for you today is how to make vegetable fritters. Our recipes are set on the table already. Vegetable fritters are cakes mixed with vegetable. It can be pan fried or deep fried. The recipes we have on board are our boiled potato. It is an Irish potato. You can use a sweet potato. We have our shredded carrots. We have our olive oil. We have our spring onion. We have our white onion. You can also use a red onion depending on what you want. We have our garlic. We have salt. We have our paprika. We also have our all-purpose flour. All these recipes are what we have for today's vegetable fritters. Without wasting time, let's get started. So right now, I want to smash the potato with my potato smasher. If you don't have a potato smasher, you can also use fork. Right now, I'm done with the smashing, okay? I want to add my white onion and my garlic. After which, I add my shredded carrots. I want to add all the vegetable at once. Now I add my spring onion. After adding my spring onion, I mix all of them together. After blending the vegetable with the potato together, the next thing I want to add is my paprika. This paprika is a spicy one, okay? And my salt, I want to add a pinch of salt because I use salt to boil the potato, so I have to mind the way I add salt. I give it a thorough mix. And the salt, I add my all-purpose flour. You can use your cornmeal, your cornstarch rather. You can also use your oats flour. Here, you mix it together. After mixing the flour with the vegetables, the very last recipe I am adding is my olive oil. The purpose of adding the olive oil before frying is to blend all the recipes together. But if you don't want that, you can skip it. Please, to get all the measurements and recipes name, you can hit the description box, okay? So right now, after mixing it, the next thing we want to do is to mold it according to our desire, okay? Anyhow you want to mold your vegetable fritters, there is no bad deal about that. So for me, I am going to mold it this way. Also mold it round. If you have a kitchen glove, you can use, but if you don't have a kitchen glove like me, you can as well wash your hand clean. and start doing it the way, molding it the way you want. This is how I'll keep doing it one after the other until I am done with all of them. I'm done with the molding. I molded it in 2 different ways. Remember that before now I told you the way you mold your vegetable fritters doesn't really matter. What matters is the recipes that you put in the vegetable fritters. So this is the kind of shape I like. You can mold yours like a ball or like anything, okay, you choose to. So now I've preheated my oil. The next thing is just to throw it inside the oil. This does not really waste time, making cooking easy for everyone. Yeah, let's start frying it. The oil is preheated already. When frying, you have to fry on a very low heat. This is the least I can go for now. I don't want to overcrowd the pan. When it is golden brown, I'll get back to you. Please don't leave it and go away. Put your eyes on it. See you later. Right now, if you view closely, you will see that they are golden brown. I want to bring them out. This is how I will start doing them one after the other until I am done. When I'm done, I'll get back to you, okay? Guys, this is the very last set. I'm done with frying all of them. And I'm also done with frying this. As you can see, it's golden brown. So right now, the next thing is to remove it. Guys, our vegetable fritters is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Yeah, guys, the vegetable fritters is ready. As you can see, it has been set on the table as usual. To do it what we normally do to eat, you guys know now. So you can snack this with a soft drink, with pap, with tea, with whatever you like. You can also snack it like this without anything. It is a healthy and rich snack. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time for you to assist us in your own little way by subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be among the first that YouTube will send the video to. If you always watch our video and you don't give it a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up so that it will be recommended to as many people in YouTube community as possible. Please share this video if you see anything interesting on this video that you would like people to see. Also, drop your comment after watching our video because it will encourage us to bring more to your doorpost. Till we come your way next week with another beautiful and lovely recipe, we remain Virtuous Gist and Skills. Thank you for watching this